Raheem either. I don't give a fuck about myself. I ain't shit. I ain't never gonna be shit. And you less of a man than me, so as soon as I decide that you ain't gonna be shit, so be it. You remember that, motherfucker.
Free Sir Rowdy the Ghost. Pursue your dreams, lil' daddy. Pursue your dreams, lil' mama. Throughout your sleep till you wake up yawning. No lie about it, gotta get it honest. To make loose ends meet, tighten up your drawstrings. Speaking from experience, I did and I saw things. And we all set goals to accomplish. Head above water, I can't be the one to plummet. Even though I am buried alive as a convict, they can never kill my pride, I'm dodging every bullet. Far from foolish, a little too quick. Flying higher than a witch on a broomstick. I broke the rules, then I stirred in a new mix. I broke the Rubik's, now they need the cube fix. And every time I produce any music, I practice what I preach, cause the boot is my pulpit. I see the clouds at the ground beneath. 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 Pursue your dreams, lil' mama. Pursue your dreams, lil' daddy. While it's there, better reach out and grab it, or spend the rest of life